Welcome back to the Green Beauty Collective makeup and skincare channel here on YouTube. We're super excited today to be bringing you a daytime spring 2018 makeup look. And in this video, we're going to use 3 different products. Keep watching to find out what these newest spring trends are and what products you can use to achieve them. The first trend we are going to talk about are highlighters. And highlighters have been very popular for a while, but the trend is continuing and we're super excited about that. And we want to talk about 2 different types of highlighters today. We're going to talk about powder and we are going to talk about cream highlighters. So you might be wondering the difference between the two, so make sure to watch to find out the different effects that they give and what skin types to use them on. On the first side, I'm using a cream highlighter, and the people who are going to like cream highlighters are those who want a product to really meld right into the skin and look super, super natural. Those with dry skin will also really love cream highlighters because what it's going to do is it's going to bring that really nice dewy glow to the skin when you might be lacking that yourself. And on the second side, I'm using a brush with a pressed highlighting powder. And the people who are going to like this product are those who wear powder already. So if you're wearing a bit more of a full face of makeup and you want your highlighter to really pop and sit on top of your current foundation or foundation powder, using a highlighting powder is going to be a better option for you. And you can put this right into the corner of the eye, under the brow, onto the bone, right onto the top of the cheekbone as well. And I also really like to pop it right on top of the Cupid's bow to give my lips a little bit of a pop and glow. So we really love using the Elate universal creams and pressed highlighting powders, and they come in a few different shades. They come in cool pink tones, warm gold tones, as well as a white tone, and so there are definitely lots of tones to choose from the Elate collection. The next thing we want to talk about is a trend that actually happened on the runway, and you might not have heard of this trend before. I didn't even know about it until I looked it up, but it's called tea-stained lids. And it's pretty straightforward. All we're really doing is staining our lids or putting a color on our lids that resembles tea. And it's usually just a really soft neutral color. And I'll show you how to do 1-toned and 2-toned tea-stained lids. For this first eye, I'm going to do just a 1-tone look, and this is going to be super easy. You don't even have to do this clean or perfect. I'm just swiping the eyeshadow right across the lid and blending it up slightly. You really want to work this powder in and blend it all out so it looks super nice and flawless and clean.But it's just as simple as that, just blending it right across the lid and up a little bit into the crease. On the other eye, I'm going to do a 2-toned tea-stained lid. So I'm going to start off with a lighter base, more of a creamy base, and I'm going to blend that even right up to the brow bone. And again, you don't have to be super clean with this. It'll only really take you about 5 to 10 seconds to sweep this right across the lid. And then I'm going to take a darker shade and blend this shade just right across the lid and a tiny, tiny bit into the crease. And that's where you're going to get those 2 different tones blending in together. And the third thing we are going to talk about for spring is lips. And what's really popular this season is just super soft, neutral or pink lip glosses. So something really soft, very wearable that you can wear every day. And today I'm going to use Belle from Elate. I think it's kind of funny doing a video applying lip gloss because for the most part lip gloss is pretty foolproof, but for those of you who love watching me put on lip gloss, here is your clip. And the nice thing about this gloss in particular is that it's not sticky. It's super moisturizing while still keeping the color on your lips, and it has a little touch of peppermint to keep your breath nice and fresh throughout the day. If you want to learn how to transform this look into more of an evening look, make sure to check out our nighttime spring 2018 routine here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in learning more about natural, vegan, cruelty-free products, make sure to follow us here on YouTube as we have weekly videos coming out. And if you would also like to purchase products, you can find all of the products we talked about today on thegreenbeautycollective.com. See you next week.